How to fix Roblox memory dump error on PC. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're trying to fix the Roblox memory error, here are the steps that you can follow to fix the problem. First of all, you need to locate your Roblox game. Right-click on it and then select Properties. Switch to the Compatibility tab and check the box for Run this program as administrator and then select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Additionally, you can check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and then run this program as administrator. And after making these changes, click on Apply and then OK. And then close the window. After that, try launching your Roblox player again. If that does not work, another option is to clear the temporary files. You can open your computer's search bar and then type in Run. Open the Run box. Once you're there, type in %local app data % and then press Enter. This will open a folder with the temporary files. Look for the folder named Roblox and delete it. After deleting the folder, restart your PC and this should hopefully resolve the error. I hope this helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.